हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज के वीडियोस में वी विल अनबॉक्स OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G which was launched last year April 2022. So let's unbox it and see what we get inside the box. So this is a box of the OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite. Okay. So without wasting time, let's unbox it and see what we get inside. I hope इसमें बैक कवर दिया जाएगा जो OnePlus हमेशा अपने साथ देता है, and some Nord guides, quick start guide and Nord का stickers. Okay, and also red cable club. Okay, yeah. So and you get the SIM ejector tool here. So we'll keep this aside और अभी चेक करते हैं फोन itself. So ये फोन को अनबॉक्स करते हैं. So as you can see this, so उसकी बॉडी comes, the OnePlus Nord CE2 comes with the glass frame at the front, plastic frame and the plastic body, and it looks like a matte finish. You can see the logo here, and check the camera, triple camera. One is for macro, one is for that, and one is for main camera, and it has a single selfie camera here like a punch hole. Also you can see the speaker here, and bottom you get a speaker, USB Type-C port and one 3.5mm jack. On the left hand side you get the volume rocker button and the SIM ejector, like the SIM tray, and this side you get a sensor. So let's boot the OnePlus Nord CE2. So basically ये वेरिएंट है 6GB 128GB RAM, and the other variant is 8GB 128GB RAM, and it comes with Android 12 upgraded to Android 13 which runs on Oxygen OS 13. So let's talk about the LCD panel. It's a IPS LCD panel, 120Hz refresh rate. And the chipset is like octa-core processor, Snapdragon 695 5G 6nm, and the GPU is Adreno 619. We'll skip this part, we'll set up offline. So OnePlus Nord CE Lite 2 फोन काफ़ी लाइट वेट फील करता है. इसका वेट ऑलमोस्ट 195 ग्राम है, एंड फ़ोन की साइज़ है 6.59 इंचेस, एंड फ़ोन का फ्रंट है ग्लास फ्रंट और प्लास्टिक बॉडी एंड द प्लास्टिक फ्रेम्स, एंड दिस फोन comes with the 3 triple camera. One is the main camera is 64 megapixel camera, and the other 2 cameras are just 2 megapixel cameras. So the 64 megapixel cameras comes with aperture of 1.7 and 26mm wide, and the other 2 cameras is 2 megapixel which is aperture of f2.4, which is basically used for macro, and that also it comes with the flashlight, HDR and panorama supports. In the video quality it supports up to 1080 at 30 fps, and at the front you will get a selfie camera like a punch hole. It's a 16 megapixel camera with aperture of 2.0, and it supports HDR, and the video quality is same HDR 1080 at 30 fps. Also you feel the like premium phone, और ये फ़ोन के साथ आपको चार्जर मिलता है 33 वोल्ट का सुपर वॉक चार्जर विद द USB Type-C, और OnePlus even put the 3.5mm jack USB Type-A, and you get the loudspeaker here and the mic like here, the micro speaker here, and you get a sensor, fingerprint sensor on the right hand side, and on the left hand side you get the volume rocker button and the SIM tool, and it is expandable. You get a nano SIM, dual SIM standby. You can use a nano SIM, even you can use a micro SD slot. So at the back you get the logo of the OnePlus. So it's a premium phone at this price point. ये वेरिएंट है 6GB 128GB स्टोरेज, and different variant is 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage, and दोनों के प्राइस पॉइंट में काफ़ी डिफरेंस है. ये ऑलमोस्ट 17,999 के प्राइस पॉइंट से है, और जो वेरिएंट है वो ऑलमोस्ट 24,999 कॉस्ट करता है. Also we get a charger inside the box, and it's a 33-watt charger, super work, and one USB Type-C cable. So we'll keep all these things aside and we'll check the phone itself. First we will check the outside body of the OnePlus Nord CE Lite. It comes with a glass front, plastic body and the plastic frame, and it supports dual SIM. You can use nano SIM also, and the IPS LCD panel, 120Hz refresh rate, and the resolution is 1080p into 2412 pixels, and the aspect ratio is 20:9, 401 ppi density. Also it comes with the Android OS 13, and the chipset is Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G 6nm, and the CPU is octa-core CPU with 6 into 7 1.7 GHz Cairo 660 silver sensor, and it comes with the Adreno GPU 619, and it also has micro SD slot. It comes with a triple camera sensor. The main camera is of 64 megapixel, aperture of 1.7, 26 mm wide, and 0.7 micrometer PDF. And the other two cameras are just 2 megapixel, and the apertures are same, like 2.4. This one is a macro, and this is a depth camera. And it features of this camera is LED flash, HDR, and panorama, and the video quality only supports up to 1080 at 30 fps. Now comes with the front single rear camera. It's a 16 megapixel, aperture of 2.0 wide, and 1 by 3.01 micrometer, and its feature supports only HDR. Also the video quality is same, 1080p at 30 frames seconds. Also it has a loudspeaker, and also comes with a 3.5 mm jack at the bottom. So it's good. OnePlus is still providing the 3.5 mm jack. Also it supports dual band Wi-Fi, all standard of the Wi-Fi, and the Bluetooth is 5.2, and it comes with the NFC. It supports the USB Type-C 2.0 OTG, and you get better features like 120Hz refresh rate, and the camera quality is good. Let's check the camera by. So you can see the quality of the camera, the main camera. Let's zoom it so you can see the qualities. It's very clear. You get, and it comes with a 33-watt charger. Let's check the charging speed and everything. So let's see the charging here. I've connected the super work charger 33-watt, and it started charging here. It gives me the gesture. So it's look like premium quality. It comes in 3 color. One is black dusk, and this is blue tide color. So yeah, at this price point this phone feels premium. So I got this phone from Amazon Prime, and when there was a sale. So yeah, basically worth it. So if you want in-depth video regarding these OnePlus Nord CE Lite 2 5G, let me know in the comment. Also, if you like this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys later. Bye.